What's up, it's your boy Tux. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can you guess what time is it? Yeah, if you said kitchen time, you are right, it's kitchen time. So I'm going to show you some little bit cooking today. I'm going to show you how to fry mas bangle fish and one type of fish. Again, I have 3 types. I'll choose the other one later. So let's get to this video. First, you remove like the intestines and other stuff, wash them, then you use flour mixed with spice, and then you mix water, flour and yellow dye, as you can see it in the video, food dye, and then we put the fish first in the dry flour, and then you put it in a yellow dye fluid. The fluid is just to make the fish moisture and prevent it from overburning and have that nice looking, attracting and bright, because these ones are for business. So as you can see, I'm using a big pot because this is for business. Here is where some fish are. Remove that intestine and put in the flour, mix them, make sure you cover all its body with flour, dry flour, and then put it in the yellow fluid dye, put it in a pot, there you fry it. Simple as such. This is another type of fish. Yeah, this mackerel. You do the same process. You cut them in your pieces, whatever size you want. You see, they shine, they are shining, they look good for business. If you wanna do this business simple as such, you can make money. Thank you for watching. So what I want you to do is just subscribe, comment down below if you want me to upload more cooking on this YouTube channel. I'm just trying out this, but I have so formula of cooking. If you want some more, just comment, give us more cooking.